video, I'm going to talk about how to withdraw and how to deposit. First of all, I'm not going to show you how to do that. The reason is they already have that. They already have videos that can show you how to withdraw, how to deposit, how to connect your wallet, and how you are going to do it. The good thing though is you can also use your card, which is your credit card, if you want to. All right, so there are some options that you can use also. But if you want to use cryptocurrency, and then they've got videos on that. The reason also why I'm not going to make a video about it, about how to withdraw and all of that, it's because first of all, I've noticed that there is no one. I think it's only two people, and I'm not sure if those people come from this channel that I have that joined with my link. And so I only have two people, so there is no need for me to make a video like that because people are not joining. And if you also are interested to join, you would have joined already, and of course you would have even seen the videos, okay, that maybe I'm talking about here. But I'm gonna show you how you are going to see the videos only if you have registered, obviously, because you will need to log in, so if you are not registered, it's just a waste of time. All right, that is why I'm not going to take through the process step by step, because there is no one who's joining. Okay, so let's say maybe you decide to join now, okay, and then you log in, and then you will just come at the top left where it says we share abundance, and then it's gonna take you to this page, which is going to tell you everything: how to withdraw, how to do to link your wallet, how to do all these things. Let's concentrate more on the connecting your wallet over here, where it says connecting your wallet, and then I'm gonna click that. It's gonna take me to this, right? It says watch the video below to link your account to your wallet if you want to use what? A cryptocurrency thing, which I think you will need to do it because you will only be able to withdraw using that, and also maybe if you want to put some money or some crypto into your WeShare Abundance account or anything like that, you will have to use it. So you have to go through that. And then you can watch this one, how to link. This is the video. That's why I'm not going to make any video. And then when you go down, you will see also here it says click here for the how to use the exchange video tutorial. Remember guys that the website, they use their own currency, which is I think it's Visa tokens, whatever, something like that. So for you to actually withdraw, you will have to exchange their currency into the currency you want, whether Bitcoin, whether whatever. But you must remember also that there are fees when it comes to Bitcoin, when it comes to these other things. So you will have to choose which one is better for you in terms of fees. But you can exchange that currency into your own currency that you prefer, right? And then you can eventually take it to your bank account, whatever the way you will do it, okay? So maybe if I can open this one here, use the exchange video tutorial. You see the video here, it's gonna just appear. Okay, let's just go down, maybe if we can. Okay, you can't. I think we'll wait until it actually loads. Now, this is going to show you how to fund your account with either a card or cryptocurrency, right? So you've got two options. It's either you can use a card or a cryptocurrency if you want to fund your account. Simple as that. And then it's not going down now. Let me maybe play it a bit, right? Just to show you guys. Maybe I hope I will play it in enough so that you can actually understand. Let me maybe make it a big.
Hi everyone. This is just a tutorial on how to withdraw funds from WeShare Abundance to your wallet on the blockchain, or how to move funds from your wallet on the blockchain into WeShare Abundance, or how to buy cryptocurrency using your credit card, and how to fund your available cash wallet from our exchange, and so be able to use your available cash wallet to buy any of the services or products that we have on offer. We will soon be moving to every payment that is made within our nation to be made through your available cash wallet. And you can always see your available cash wallet here. This is just a test account. Don't worry about any of the figures. None of them matter. But this one shows there's $90 in the available cash wallet. But what if you had zero? How would you add funds into your available cash wallet? Well, funds are added automatically from commissions. So if you make a commission in the Easy Business Builder or the SOAP program or Poverty Crusher, actually Poverty Crusher currently is still paying manually into your TRC20 wallet, but it will soon be switched and go into the available cash wallet. Also, any payments that come from the Share Hope program, automated withdrawals, go into the available cash wallet. But what if you don't have any of those and you still want to come in? Maybe you're a new member and you want to buy, for example, maybe you want to get into the 777 plan in pre-launch. How would you load your available cash wallet? Well, I'm going out on a limb here because I've never done this before, but hopefully it'll all work smoothly. Let's first of all click on this We Share Abundance Exchange, and that takes you to the exchange page. Now, it's a good idea to connect a wallet here because it will allow you to transfer funds in from the blockchain, from any account you have anywhere on the blockchain, or to transfer funds out to any wallet you have on the blockchain. Just quickly going through this, you can see that there is a transaction balance that shows your closing balance, and it shows it in the value of Share Hope tokens. So the first thing you need to do really is,
so you see there, it talks about tokens. So that is why I said to you, the currency, it's sort of it's tokens. So in other words, everything you make here as money, it's gonna be in tokens. So you'll need to transfer that to cryptocurrency and then eventually to your bank account, whatever you will be using. Okay, so you must understand that it's not like when you are making money on the website, it will be like money, but it will be money in a token form. Then you can transfer it into the other side. Okay,
connect your wallet, and I would recommend using metamask. Now, it's up to you which wallet you do use, but metamask is the one that we can give you help on because it's the only one that I know how it works. So if you're conversant with Trust Wallet or any other wallet, then by all means you can use them. If you click on connect your wallet, it comes up with this and you can connect to various wallets. MetaMask is here automatically, but if you wanted something else, you can look at all the different wallets that are available, and you can see they all come up, loads and loads of them, so you can pick and choose any you want. But I would recommend MetaMask. Now, MetaMask is an extension in your browser and you can download it. I'm just going to log in here.
okay.
And
I think we don't have to finish it. So when you are alone, then you can just watch that, all of that. If you want to connect and you want to know how to deposit or anything like that, okay? Simple as that. Let me maybe, if there is a maybe where, okay, let me just go back over here. So the metamask, let me show you how it's going to look. Let me open this one. Okay, no, I will show you separately, guys, how the metamask looks like. I do have it in my phone, so I will do it over there. You can do it anywhere. Also on my laptop, I do have it on your top right. You see there is that cat thing. That is my metamask. If I can click it, you will see it will say password. It will open a password, and I can put a password over there, and then I can log in, and then I will see the balance and everything. So always, and on top here, you see on top here, you must, it must be BNPJ. That's what they actually said, BNPJ, right? That is very important. So if you watch that video that we just watched, he does say that it must be on this BNP chain. Okay, simple as that. So that's what it is over there. So if you're using a laptop, after you connect it, it's gonna appear at the top because we have added it. Okay, yeah. So I think that will be it, guys. That's how it's going to happen. That's how it's going to be done. So that's how you will withdraw. That's how you will deposit, and you can use a card or also, So with the card, guys, it's very important for you to be very careful, right? Because with the card, they do have instructions on how to use it, and they do have some things that they say if you want to pay with a card. All right. Maybe if I can, let me see if I can, maybe. Okay, here we go. If I were to maybe buy something like triple plan, not the triple plan, share hope here, right? Share hope exchange. If maybe I was to be, I wanted to buy, let me maybe open. Okay, let me open. I don't know if it's a video or it's what, but there's a lot of videos here.
In this video, I want to show you how you can buy cryptocurrency through your WeShare Abundance account, and how you can use that cryptocurrency if you choose to fund your available cash wallet to buy anything, any service or product that we offer.
Okay, we are not going to watch this. Guys, I don't want you to watch this with me. You can watch it when you are alone, because it needs you to concentrate and focus and follow the instructions. Okay, so I think that is it, guys. So if you're interested, you know the drill. All you have to do is to go down there, just click the link and register. And then, because to be honest, I'm not going to make any video about withdrawing whatever, because people are not joining, people are not and all of that. So if it happens that you join, okay, then that's another story. But also, even there, they have got videos, guys. I can't be making videos that are going to be useless, because you will find them also in the website. So maybe, unless maybe you don't understand, but what I will do is to share two maybe crypto wallets or apps that you can use for cryptocurrency. That is going to be Trust Wallet, and also the Metaverse, the metamask that they are talking about. So I will do that on my phone or maybe on my iPad, because I do have both of them in there. I hope everything will be clear though. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. That will be appreciated. Thank you, guys. You have a good day. Sharp.